Hello everyone. Hi, I'm Rashmi, and as you must be knowing that this is going to be the second day of our Spanish week. So hola everyone, and let's begin today's class. So today I thought to teach you weekdays. Okay? So how do we say Monday in Spanish? Monday is lunes. Lunes. Lunes is Monday. Okay? Tuesday. How do we say Tuesday? Tuesday is martes. 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 Martes is Tuesday. Now Wednesday. Wednesday is miércoles. 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 Miércoles is Wednesday. Miércoles. Okay? Now how do we say Thursday? Thursday is jueves. 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 Jueves is Thursday. Okay? Now Friday. Friday is viernes. 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 Viernes is Friday. Now coming to Saturday. Saturday is sábado. 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 There's a stress sign on A, so put a little stress. Sábado. Sábado. Sábado is to say Saturday in Spanish. Okay? So moving on to the next. Now how do we say Sunday? Sunday is domingo. 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 Domingo is Sunday in Spanish. Okay? Now, let's move on to the next topic of today. So, I thought to introduce seasons. So, how do we say winter? As winter is approaching. So, winter is el verano. 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 El verano means the winter. This is the actually. I'll introduce it later on in classes, articles and all. So just do remember now. For winter is el verano. El verano. El verano is to say winter in Spanish. Okay. Now how do we say summer? Summer is el invierno. El invierno. 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 El invierno is summers in Spanish. Okay, summer. Now, spring season. Spring season is la primavera. La primavera. 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 La primavera is spring in Spanish. Okay, then last, autumn. Autumn is el otoño. There's N, that sign, the sign on N, and as you know, N-A, this pronunciation. So this is el otoño. Otoño. Okay? El otoño. Otoño is autumn. El otoño is autumn season in Spanish. Okay? And one more thing I want to say. Let me know in the comment section which song of Bollywood contains Hindi plus Spanish lyrics in the song. So let me know the song name. So I'm gonna sing that song in front of you, and also I'm gonna tell the meaning of its song, of those lyrics in Spanish. Okay. So let me know in the comment section which song is that. Okay. Stay tuned. Bye bye. Ciao.